Welcome, curious minds, to a journey into the heart of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the realm of computer science dedicated to creating intelligent machines. Look around. AI is already part of our daily lives. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are at our beck and call. Self-driving cars, such as Tesla's Autopilot and Waymo Driver, are navigating the roads with the help of AI. Facial recognition technology safeguards our security and even spices up our social media experiences. In the world of healthcare, AI assists doctors in analyzing medical images and patient data for more accurate diagnoses. Financial systems benefit from AI's prowess in identifying suspicious transactions, enhancing fraud detection. Ever wonder how your favorite streaming service knows exactly what to recommend? AI is the magic behind personalized suggestions. Fasten your seatbelts as we glimpse into the future. AI is set to revolutionize healthcare, transportation, education, and reshape our society. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening voyage through the world of AI. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content.